Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Restaurateurs Galla App, and today we will learn about Menu Items Manager. So on clicking on Menu Items, this page will appear. It contains details like item code, item name, category, cost price, quantity, MRP, etc. To create a new item, click on New Item. Select product type, it's simple or combo. Let's keep it simple. Group name, it's by default. Click on next. Alright, so now you are supposed to fill all these details. Item info, pricing, inventory, images and online sales. So item info, let's say keema, biryani. The item code is auto-generated. Category, non-veg. Item name in kg, box, dozen, let's select kgs. You can add the description. Once done, go to pricing. Select the cost price, MRP, promo price, promo start date and the ending date, B2B price. Select tax group based on your business module. Let's say it's 5%. Now go to inventory, fill in the details, reorder value, 12, location quantity, images. You can select an image here. Then online settings. You can avoid. Then the food type, it is non-veg or veg or vegan. You can add the text here. Text like, Baro. You can add the text here. Once done, just check in if anything is missing. Now click on Save. Item added successfully, which is keema biryani. So yeah, you have just created a new item in the backend. So that's how you will be adding new items in the menu in the Restaurateurs Galla app. Hope this helps you. Thank you.